landscape encountered upon entering the park. In 2023, CLAB Architects was commissioned to construct a viewing platform at this site. The waterfall originates from an artificial dam built in 1979 for hydrological regulation. Crescent-shaped in plan, it lends Moon Bay its name. Over decades of interaction between human intervention and natural processes, the dam has been fully absorbed into its environment. Upstream, the water settles into a calm surface. Downstream, erosion exposes massive river stones. Together, these elements form a place in the phenomenological sense, close to the ground, yet acting as a center that brings sky, mountain, and water into relation.